Hey everyone, I'm Nizarul Islam. Welcome to my new video. What if you could make your business go viral without spending a big amount of money? Today I'm going to talk about guerrilla marketing. It's fun, creative, and budget-friendly ways to grab attention of people. Guerrilla marketing. It's creative and cheap. Now the question is, what is guerrilla marketing? Guerrilla marketing is all about creativity instead of paying money for ads to promote any kind of brands. Instead of paying money, you surprise people in unexpected ways. Whatever it is, like you can make some funny stands, you can make some funny signs, or you can make some signatures like street arts, any kind of thing. On simple example, a coffee shop might draw footprints on the side of leading to their doors. I have written, follow the smell of fresh coffee. So it is a cheap idea, but it makes people curious. Now I'm going to share some real life example of guerrilla marketing. Number one, McDonald's example. McDonald's once turned across a big large plate of French fries. So the idea is simple, right? But whoever walked on the road, they noticed it. It made people smile, and it has become a memorable, and they share it over the internet. My second example is Coca-Cola vending machine example. Coca-Cola once put a vending machine on a busy road. So what people expect from a Coca-Cola vending machine, that there will be some Coca-Cola, right? But they kept there some special gifts like some food, like flowers and pizza and some other gifts. So when people see that the vending machine is giving them gifts, it has become memorable to them. They liked it, they loved it. They took photos, they filmed it and share all over internet. My third example is Kit Kat benches. Once Kit Kat turned into a park bench, a chocolate bar. So the idea is simple and it costs almost nothing, some paints, right? So when people see that the bench has become a Kit Kat chocolate bar, so they loved, they really enjoyed it and they captured photos, and the idea has become so popular, it has become popular in all over the world. Now you understand the power of guerrilla marketing. My question is, why this type of tricks works? I mean, why guerrilla marketing works? Because it's different. The idea is totally different and surprising. People notice it, they stop and think about it, and they share about it, and they discuss with friends. You also see this example when movie makers do something unconventional, or they make some controversy just so that people talk about their films, right? This also happens. So this is also one kind of guerrilla marketing, so that people talk about them and discuss and they become viral. Now, how you can use this guerrilla marketing techniques in your business? I'm going to share some ideas so that you can use street arts or some signs. You may put some signs or street arts on close to your shop. Write some messages about your products, or do it something unconventional, like put some message. Are you looking for best coffee? Are you tired? Come inside, like this. And you can create some viral moments on some busy roads. Okay, make a flash sale, and you can also make some unconventional display, right? If you sell shingara, make a big size of shingara with papers or some plastic, so that people notice it. If you sell ice cream, make a bigger ice cream, large size ice cream, so people make photos with that ice cream, right? And you can also host a flash mob. Flash mob is also one kind of viral idea. It's also, if you do it, it is one kind of advertisement of your product. Arrange a flash mob or any funny event or funny stand. And you can also do something that something creative, like you can make everyday object your ad. Do something unconventional. Put something creative close to your shop or inside your shop. You can also post it on Facebook or on other social medias so that people talk about your business. So this is all from today. If you want to take your marketing to the next level, please subscribe my channel and stay connected with me, because I have lots of ideas and marketing tips and some other business ideas also I'm going to share with you on the next video. So subscribe my channel, and if you like, please hit the like button and make comments. And if you have more ideas like me, or if you like my ideas, please share some guerrilla marketing ideas on the comment box. And thank you very much for staying connected with me. See you in the next video. Thank you.